my wonderful English learners, and welcome back to Mr. English SH. I'm your host, Sarah, and today I'm sharing something incredibly powerful. Dedicate just 10 minutes a day to this routine. It's the simplest way to completely reshape how confidently you speak English.
Your English will not only become smoother, you will actually start to think in English, react in English, and speak naturally without hesitation. So, let's begin this journey together. Start why just 10 minutes works like magic. When people think of improving English, they imagine thick grammar books, long study hours, difficult vocabulary lists, hard exercises. But language doesn't grow like that. Your brain learns best through small, frequent contact. Your brain needs English the way plants need sunlight, every day, even in small doses. Just 10 minutes keeps your brain in English mode. It connects sentences faster, remembers phrases longer, and builds confidence naturally. 10 minutes daily equals 300 minutes a month, equals 5 hours of real speaking practice. This consistency is more powerful than studying for 3 hours once a week. Start the real goal of this routine. Most learners focus on knowing grammar, memorizing words, passing exams. But fluency isn't about knowing. Fluency is about doing. The goal of this 10-minute routine is to help English feel natural, to make speaking automatic, to reduce translation in your mind, to shift your thinking into English, to build real, confident speaking skills. And the best part? You don't need a teacher, a classroom, or expensive coaching. You can do this anywhere, in your room, in a park, in the kitchen, or even while waiting for a bus. So let's break down all 10 minutes into 5 simple steps. Start step 1. Listen. 2 minutes. Find something small in English. A short podcast, a YouTube clip, a simple conversation, or any audio you understand at least 80%. While listening, don't translate, don't pause, don't worry about difficult words. Just feel the rhythm, the tone, the speed, the flow of English. This trains your ears and prepares your mind to speak. Pro tip: use the same audio for 5 to 7 days. Repetition builds automatic fluency faster than new content every day. Start step 2. Speak out loud. 2 minutes. Now it's time to use your voice. Take 2 or 3 sentences from the audio and repeat them out loud. Copy everything: pronunciation, speed, stress, melody. Yes, you might feel shy at first. Yes, you might sound strange to yourself. But this is how your mouth learns English. Speaking is a physical skill, just like playing a guitar, dancing, or riding a bicycle. Your mouth needs practice and movement. Pro tip: don't worry about mistakes. Worry about speaking. Repetition equals confidence. Start step 3. Personalize. Now take those same sentences and change them to match your life. If the audio says, "I wake up early," you can say, "I wake up at 6:30. I don't wake up early on weekends. I wake up early only for work." This step is extremely important. It turns passive English into your English. Your brain remembers better when the sentence is connected to you. Start step 4. Free speaking. 2 minutes. Now speak freely without any script. Talk for 2 minutes non-stop. Don't pause. Don't think too much. Just speak. Talk about anything. Your day, your morning routine, what you're eating, what you see around you, something you're planning, something you learned today. The topic doesn't matter. What matters is continuous flow. At first, you may speak slowly. You may repeat yourself. You may stop for words. That's okay. Fluency grows when you push yourself to speak without stopping. Step 5. Reflect. 2 minutes. Finally, spend the last 2 minutes thinking about your practice. Ask yourself, which phrases were easy? Which words were difficult? Where did I hesitate? What can I improve tomorrow? You don't need to write this down, just think. Reflection organizes your learning and helps your brain improve faster. Repeat this tomorrow and the next day and the next. Will this really make you fluent? Absolutely. Here's why this routine works. 1. Repetition builds confidence. Small repeated phrases become automatic. 2. Consistency builds memory. Daily contact trains the mind better than long but rare practice. 3. Daily speaking builds fluency. Even 2 minutes of free speaking every day trains your brain to think and speak together. 4. Personalization builds connection. When you connect English to your real life, you stop forgetting it. Language is built in small daily moments, in your kitchen, on a walk, while cooking, or even brushing your teeth. Start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin your transformation. Thank you for being here with me on Mr. English SH. I'm your host, Sarah. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode.